Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 2136 5th Lane. Come check it out. So here we are from the street, 2136 5th Lane. The great thing about this one, we are on a paved road in Irwin. As you can see, paved this direction, and then that corner down there is going to be paved as well. So you can get in and out on a paved road instead of a dirt road, which is most of Irwin Lake. Our property line is just going to be under 2,500 square foot. So we're going to be right here at the fence. And then we'll come down this direction. So this one just hit the market for $244,000. It's $244,000. And then we've got the other property line coming along this fence as well. So definitely parking enough for 1, 2, 3, 4 cars easily. And it is just kind of like a gravel down here, not paved parking. We do have a concrete deck out front. And then just since we're kind of right up here, I can see the roof really good. Roof looks like it's been done in the last 5 years, I would estimate. So really good shape. Some of the gutters have kind of come off, but I think some of the trim maybe just painting a little bit. So very easy peasy, very move-in ready. Probably going to be like a primary home, secondary home, just like a little crash pad getaway, just if you want your foot in Big Bear. So here we have the porch right here, concrete, as I was saying, like kind of picked up a little bit, and then you could use some paint on the edges, but that is why it is priced the way that it is. Paint on the outside looks like it's in pretty good shape though, that brown. So coming in, we've got the 9 square tiles right here at the entry. And so what we're gonna have is the kitchen this way, then we're gonna go bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. So coming in, we've got the tile right at the entrance, and then we've got the, looks like almost like it might be newer-ish carpet, newer-ish. So cute little living room centered around the fireplace. We do have on this one, it looks to be single pane windows from what I can hear. Do have some popcorn ceiling in here. So some people just kind of live with it. Some people take that down. And the fireplace, actually really cool. I like that brick fireplace. It has been painted. Got a wood burning stove inside of the fireplace. I have that exact same-ish model. And it warms up the house so nice. I love having a fire. I love the brickwork. And then we've also got a live piece of wood up here, but this is kind of polished. So nice, big and beefy. This is fake. So just a panel up above it. You could paint it to be a little bit more matchy-matchy. Take it off, put more brick up there, whatever you want to do. Or just leave it alone. We also are running off a wall heater in here. So both your heat sources here and here, right next to each other. So one thing I would think about is like, if it's so hot right here, it's going to make that go off, like turn off, because it's heated right there, right? Like it's getting its temperature from right there. So coming into the kitchen, we're going back to that tile floor, 12-inch basic tile. Here's our thermostat right here. Wall paint is actually in really good shape in here. And this used to be a primary home for someone that just moved out. So kitchen is back here. We do have the full stove and a full sized fridge right here. No dishwasher in here. One thing that I would note, I'm trying to figure out dining options right here. So you could put the fridge a little bit more back and then put something kind of slim or small right here. Honestly, I really want this wall to go away, but you can't because the fireplace is on the other side. Because otherwise you could put dining out here as well. So to each their own, whatever you'd like to do, we shall see. So coming in, we do have cabinetry up here. And down below, just making for like a nice pantry behind that fireplace. So you have Formica countertops, cast iron sink. You can see the cast iron right there. Pretty clean. Outside, let's do that last. I'll take a little tour all around the back. So let's go to the bathroom first. So here we're gonna have the water heater in here. Looks like it's from 2023, so not too old. And then down this way, we'll go into the bathroom. So same tile as in the kitchen. And here we have like a quartz countertop right here. This just seems like it came from Home Depot piece. This is like a plastic mirror up top. I mean, clean, basic. It's, you know, little things, you know, that you could fix up. They're not bad. Plastic tub insert with a cast iron stove or cast iron tub. Just clean. A lot of people live out here in Irwin too. Like this is a full-time residence area. You know, it could use paint all throughout a little bit. You can kind of see some stuff right there. If it were me, I'd probably come in, put a fresh coat of paint, new floors, take off the popcorn ceiling, doll it up a little bit. This room actually gets a lot of light. So in both bedrooms, they do not have lights. You've got light switches, but that's going to be for your power outlets. So I would say this is the brighter of the two rooms just from... but it could just be that reflection coming off the car out there. So easily king size bed right here, queen size bed. We do have closets. I don't want to break my nails or the closets. Pretty decent. Doors, just kind of basic doors. And then coming down here, we've got bedroom number 2. So this is a larger bedroom, so it would be more of a master. The other bed, oh, I see. Since the other one has the window over there, you get more light. This one, you've got the window right here because your sun is kind of doing that thing. To make it more afternoon sun right here. So definitely a larger bedroom. You could fit a cow king in here if you wanted to, or you could even, I mean, this thing's so big, I almost would have given some of the space to the living room. Like, you could almost make a studio out of here. Like, have your own living room in your bedroom. Another thing that I do see is like a little gap of light in here. So this is the back of the closet to the other one. So that small wall right here built out of plywood is the only thing separating those two rooms from each other. So nothing wrong with that. Just probably expect to be heard everything that you're talking about in one bedroom to the next. So then let's take a little walk around the back. See if I can get this way. Yeah. So you got like a nice mountain view in the back. And again, let me check the windows. Yeah, a single pane windows. I would probably fill this in back here. This almost looks like it was an addition back here. Oh, it's a woodshed. I usually don't go in woodsheds, but today maybe I will try if I can get it open, and I give up. But pretty big shed. It is built on the dirt, so that is one thing to note, is that you want to have concrete under there because you will get termites coming from the ground up. So that's one thing I would recommend. And then we've got, so fencing on all 3 sides. All right, there you have it. 2136 5th Lane, listed for $244,000. Great little starter home. Let me know if you want to come check it out. Bye.